So I want to find the rectangular coordinates. So here's my r, here's my theta. So x is just r times cosine of theta. And the cosine of 3 pi over 2 is 0, so it's 0. And my y is 4 times my sine of theta, which is 3 pi over 2. And the sine of 3 pi over 2 is negative 1, so it's negative 4. So my rectangular is 0, negative 4. Here, my r is 5 and my theta is 300 degrees, so x equals 5 times the cosine of 300 degrees. Well, the cosine of 300 degrees is 1/2. Think about where it is. 300 degrees is down here, goes all the way over to here. Cosine is positive, so this angle, its reference angle is 60, so it's 5 times 1/2, or 5/2. Y is 5 sine 300 degrees, which is 5 times negative radical 3 over 2, because it's in the fourth quadrant, so it's negative 5 radical 3 over 2, so my point is 5/2, negative 5 radical 3 over 2. Here my r is negative 2 and my theta is 2 pi over 3, so x is negative 2 cosine of 2 pi over 3. Cosine is negative in that quadrant, and it's going to be negative 1/2, so it's negative 2 times negative 1/2, or 1. And y is negative 2 sine 2 pi over 3. Sine is positive in this quadrant, so it's negative 2 radical 3 over 2, which is negative radical 3. So my point is 1, negative radical 3. And finally, I have an r of negative 3 and a theta of negative 3 pi over 4. So my x is negative 3 cosine of negative 3 pi over 4. Well, negative 3 pi over 4 is here because it goes this way, right? Pi over 4, 2 pi over 3 pi over 4. Cosine is negative, so it's negative 3 times negative 2 over 2. And y is r sine of negative 3 pi over 4. And it also is negative, so it's negative 3 times negative radical 2 over 2. So my point is 3 radical 2 over 2, 3 radical 2 over 2, because a negative times a negative is a positive.